a lot of sense. And why should people take the practice? I'm not a practitioner and I'm taking it. As you know, I was very little and I lost all of my teeth, all my baby teeth, pretty much all at once. It was very interesting and very expensive for my parents. But my adult teeth have been very good. Good smile, healthy, the typical cavity here and there, but nothing like root canals, knock on wood, or anything like that. I think I'm doing pretty well as far as my teeth health until recently, where gums just started changing, my bite started changing, my jaw started moving, and there has been so many changes in my life, as you know, people passing, people moving on, the pandemic, all of those stresses, and everything about my mouth health has changed. I know now why, but I think that's what would help people know. But why would you recommend somebody like me that doesn't practice open with people, and why would they take dental decoding?
I think it's a tremendous help to take dental decoding to understand yourself and to notice when little things start. I mean, sometimes it does happen overnight, like a chipped tooth or something acute that happens in your mouth. But if you notice, my gums are receding, well, just this one, it helps to understand yourself. If you don't know it by heart, look it up. It's there for you to look up. And by checking it out, you can understand how you are reacting to some certain situation. Gee, I didn't know I felt that way about it, but I must. Part of me that I'm not conscious about, my subconscious mind really is upset about this. Long enough to cause the gum to recede or for the cavity to form. So it really helps us understand ourselves and those around us, our children, our parents, etc. So if anyone around us has a dental issue, you don't have to have them as patients or clients, but it sure helps you understand what their subconscious mind is going through, whether or not they say things consciously. People are very good about hiding things and not wanting to worry people or upset them. And the teeth don't lie. So if, you have a parent or a child that says, I got to go to the dentist. Oh, really? Which tooth? You can find out what's going on without appearing to be interfering and understanding. And by understanding that, you can reverse engineer. Well, what's going on at work? What's going on here? And help them in the process. Not necessarily decode them, but that's kind of what you're doing, is understanding their situation, understanding their emotions. And if you have any practices for emotional healing, whether it's the emotion code or tapping, NFP or any of those things, if you have any of those skills, then understanding the issue, whether they've told you or not, you can go address the emotion, help them relieve that before it gets to a very severe situation. So you don't have to practice it professionally. It helps you and your family and your children and your pets, anybody around you, to understand them. So maybe you're not quite so quick, we are not quite so quick to get upset with them for saying or doing or feeling something. When we understand the dental issue, we can go, oh, I know what's going on. So we look at it from a different point of view, from a different perception, so that it takes care of our reactions as well. When you understand, you don't react. It's going, I can see now. Okay,